In this video, we are going to optimize our code. Instead of writing all our routes in our index.js file, it is good practice to separate this route in our different file. So in our backend, right click on it, create a new folder with name routes, press enter, and in that folder create a new file route.js. First import our express.js. Require express and also import our task module. Model slash our task and also our router from express dot router. After that, instead of writing our code, right click on it, cut the code and paste it. And instead of our app, we need to mention our router. Save the file. And we also need our get data route. Also cut that and paste it below, and also change it to router. Save the file. Let's go to the Postman and check if it is working or not. Get data, send the request, and we are getting an error. Let me save the file. So we have getting an error. That is because we separate the code in our route.js file, but we did not import our route in our index.js file. So go to the index.js file and app.use our route. Save the file and import our route const route equals to require routes slash route. save the file, and we also need to export. So module dot export equals to router. Save the file. So we are exporting our router and we import in our index.js file. Let's go to Postman and send the request, and now you can see that everything is working. So we break down our code in our smaller file. So I will see you in the next video.